In order to operate this freshwater toilet, you must turn on the freshwater switch at the home control panel. Before operating the Raritan toilet, please be sure that it has power. Power is supplied to the Raritan head through the C-zone system. You'll find the control panel for the head under the counter just outboard of the toilet. There are 4 basic modes for this toilet to operate. The first is the water saver mode. Press this area to use this mode. Next, you can use the water only mode. Press that area to use that. Then you can use normal flush, which is the basic operation and most popular one that everyone will use. You can also use the empty only position on the switch panel. The empty only is good to use when you're in a rough sea and you don't want water to splash around if the boat is bouncing. There's also a telltale light on the bottom of the panel to indicate when the holding tank is full. When it's illuminated, you'll need to pump the tank out. The rest of the waste system equipment is located in the bilge compartment on the center line of the boat just outside of the door to the head compartment. On the underside of the cabin sole, we have a Y valve. This will be apparent as soon as you open the hatch. This is a valve that operates in 2 positions. It will either discharge waste through the through hull that goes through the bottom of the boat, or it will divert waste into the holding tank. To be legal in U.S. waters, you must have the waste diverting into the holding tank. The waste evacuation pump, or macerator pump, when it's operated, will pump waste through the bottom of the boat. This can only be used when the boat's in international waters. This is not allowed to be used in the U.S. waters. When the waste macerator is activated on the C-zone panel, this will empty the contents of the waste holding tank through the valve. Once again, this is only for use in international waters. The other method of removing waste from the holding tank is to pump it out at a dock. Forward of the fuel fill on the starboard walkway, you have the waste pump out. The waste pump out allows you to use dockside facilities to empty your holding tank.